Fine, let us start solving 16th one here. Let me go with this. Right. The cost of 2 rings and 4 bangles of gold is 46,854. Right. That is 2 rings plus 4 bangles is equal to 46,854. Now what we are supposed to find, what is the cost of same 5 rings and 10 bangles? That is 5 rings plus 10 bangles is equal to what? This is what we need to find out. Right. Here by observing this and this, you just check out here and as well as here. What happens? 2 becomes 5. That is multiplied by 2.5. 2 into 2.5 is 5. 4 into 2.5 is 10. So that's what you need to multiply this with 46,854, that into 2.5. Just multiply, you will get the answer. 5 4s are 22 carry. 5 is a 25 plus 2 is 27, 2 carry. 8 5 is a 40 plus 2, 42, 4 carry. 6 5 is a 34, 3 carry. 5 4 is a 20 plus 3 is 23. 2 4 is a 8. Right, 2 5 is a 10, 1 carry. 8 2 is a 16 plus 1, 17, 1 carry. 6 2 is a 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry. 2 4 is a 8 plus 1, 9. Now add it. 0, 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is 3, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 carry. 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7, 9 plus 2 11. So after 1 digit you need to place a decimal. So the answer for 5 rings and 10 bangles is 117,135. 1,17,135 rupees. This is the answer.